Okay, here's your third question. Let's see if you got the answer correct. Trip loves roller coasters. He has made it his mission to ride some of the longest roller coasters on record. Below is a list of the roller coasters that he has ridden and their lengths. The Desperado has a length of 5,834 feet. 43 feet, I'm sorry. Twisted Colossus is 4,990 feet. The Beast, 7,359 feet. And the Ultimate, 7,442 feet. He rode these roller coasters by length, shortest to longest. Which list shows the order of his rides? Well, I'm going to plug, the first step that you need to do is plugging these numbers into your place value chart. So I hope that you typed these numbers into your place value chart, or if you wanted to, you wrote them down on your own piece of paper. So I'm going to start plugging them in. The Desperado is 5,843. The Twisted Colossus is 4,990. The Beast, 7,359. And the Ultimate is 7,442. You do not have a digit in your 10,000s or 100,000. So make sure that when you're filling in your place value, if your number only has 4 digits, you're only using 4 place values. And we start in our ones and count backwards or count to the left as your number gets bigger or your place value gets bigger. So I have my numbers plugged in. I want to go with the shortest first. So shortest means you're looking for the number that is the least, the smallest number. Where do we start looking when we start plugging numbers into our place value, or when we're starting to compare numbers from our place value chart? You start with your largest place value that you have, and the largest place value that we have is our thousands. Remember, I want the smallest number, the shortest length. My smallest number would be 4,990, and that belongs to Twisted Colossus. So I'm going to put a 1 here because that's the one that's going to go first. And then I'm going to write it on the side because I noticed that my answers are in, it says the roller coaster name, not the length of the ride. It's in the name. So I'm going to write that. Now, which one would be my next shortest? It would be the number that starts with a 5, so 5,843, and that belongs to Desperado. Okay, and I'm going to put a 2. The next one is going to be, it's either going to be the Beast or the Ultimate, and they both start with a 7, so where do I need to go look? I need to move to my hundreds place value. Which one is smaller, 3 or 4? 300 or 400? 300 is smaller, so 7,359 is the Beast. And that means that the Ultimate is my longest one. Now I'm going to find my answer choice that looks like this. Twisted, yes. The Ultimate, that's what this one is, but what should it be? So this makes it wrong. Twisted should be first. That says the Ultimate. Twisted should be first. Yes. Desperado. Yes. The Beast. Yes. And Ultimate. Yes. To be sure, I'm not just going to circle that answer and move on. I'm going to make sure that this last one, because we could make a mistake, and that happens. It starts with the Beast, but it needs to start with Twisted. So that is wrong. The correct answer is C. If you chose C as your correct answer, go back to the game board, spin the spinner, and move your pieces.